Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is inner work. It's time to do that inner work to change the inside. Therefore, the outside can match and be something beautiful. You must do the work on the inside first because you're the universe on the inside, and the outside is a representation of your universe, and how you see it, how you treat yourself is how the world's going to treat you. God brings me ideal situations for my inner healing. Therefore, you become stronger. And for those bigger blessings, I'm talking about the penthouse, those 100 acres of land that you're going to pass down generation to generation, you'll be able to carry and maintain those blessings. Every blessing comes with its own weight. So make sure with every challenge that you have, you meet it, become stronger, and therefore you're a step closer to be able to be trusted with these blessings because you're strong enough to hold them. As I become aware of my weaknesses, I turn them into strengths. I direct my thoughts towards the light and see the positive side of every stage of my life. Darkness turns to courage, and thus I am stronger. Just because you're born with a weakness doesn't mean that you have to maintain and live with that. No, we're all-powerful beings where we can transform any weakness to a strength and become the all-powerful being that we truly are and enjoy life. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.